What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Just doing another update on the channel, man. Hopefully, y'all seen the video that I uploaded right prior to this one. That was me getting a demo of my man Jamie Brodowski's Chevy Tahoe, two-door Chevy Tahoe. It's called the Incredible Hulk. Man, it is the reason that thing is called the Incredible Hulk. That thing is absolutely insane. So, you know, obviously, if you're taking the video, look at this video here, it's going to be the one right prior to it. So make sure y'all check that out, man. So, and so y'all see, I got the gloves on. This is a video that I should have hit record on prior to doing this here. But I figured, you know, why the hell not just go ahead and shoot this? For those of you out there that maybe don't know, Sky High Car Audio has cable cutters, which is shouldn't be any surprise due to the fact of all the wire they sell. So it comes in a package like this here. Like I said, this is going to be a unboxing because I should have went ahead and did this prior to getting going outside, but it is what it is, man. So I usually go to Harbor Freight and get some cable cutters, man. Start out pretty decent, not gonna lie about that, pretty good. But here you go. This is for Sky High Car Audio. They have even better. So they come like this. I'll just throw this on the floor. Then they come in this package here. I'll throw this on the floor because it's already done. And they come in bubble wrap with the Sky High Car Audio tape and all that. But this is what it is. Hopefully y'all can see that right there. So yeah, so Sky High Car Audio. This cuts up to 4.0, and I have some spare 4.0 wire laying around. It cuts up to 4.0 rather easy. So it is some good cable cutters, man. Like I said, I had actually planned to, like I said, do the unboxing of this before I got going outside, and then it was like, okay, well, now after doing the base meet and trying to get some stuff done in the car, I was kind of pressed for time as far as for daylight. So I went ahead and got going out there with the tools and whatnot, man. So had some cable laying around. I was like, okay, you know, when I do the video, I'll go ahead and cut on camera this to let y'all know how easy they do cut. I can guarantee you can take my word for it. These things are amazing. So I'll say this, the Harbor Freight ones that I get, they start out great as well. So hopefully these are maintained for a while. I'm the type of dude, man, I get close to getting them car audio installations done. So I get to the point where it's like, okay, well, I got a lot of wire. Let me go through it and just see what happens, and we'll go from there. If I have to order more, I'll do that. So just a quick little unboxing. Cable cutters, set those off to the side. This here, another Sky High Car Audio package. I'll just pull it out or drop it out on the table here. So I know I've said in previous videos, I had an unexpected move to where I am now. So what happened when that move occurred, I've lost a ton of stuff, man. I've lost a lot of tools. I've lost a lot of hardware. I've lost a lot of parts. I've lost a lot of everything. So I know I believe I did a video on them. I have some GP car audio heat shrink that were red and blue. I have no idea what happened to those heat shrink. I have no idea where they're at. So I had to go ahead and re-up with Sky High Car Audio as far as their heat shrink, which is, in my predicament, is actually going to work out a little bit better due to the fact that I'm running 3.0 wire, 3/0. If I can get that open without ripping it. So Sky High, the best thing about them, they give you the option of whether you want to order 1.0 or 2.0 heat shrink. So obviously I went ahead and did the 2.0, which for them is equivalent for their 4/0 wire. So I don't know, maybe it's a blessing in disguise to try to make the installation a little bit easier on me and go from there, man. So now this was all supposed to be a quick little upload as far as, like I said, Sky High Car Audio cable cutters for cutting copper only. That's all I run anyway, so that's not a problem. Quick little update, heat shrink. Hey, was at a car show earlier. Everybody kept asking me about a Malibu. I no longer have a Malibu. As a matter of fact, last year I had a Chevy Tahoe, so I haven't had a Malibu for a while. I'm in an Impala now that they were still referring to as a Malibu. So, hey, Shout out to all my loyal subscribers. Y'all been around for a while. Y'all know the channel used to be Dub Malley. It is now Audi 5000 Hertz. Yes, it's a play on words, but it works. So that's what it is right now. So Audi 5000 Hertz, Chevy Malibu way down the line previously, Tahoe, now I'm in Impala. So we're building Impala, we're on the way, we're getting stuff going. But insert this thing, and it's gonna get a little shaky because I'm gonna move y'all up. That wasn't too bad. So this battery right here, and like I said, cell, battery, whatever the hell you want to call it, that's perfectly fine with me. Now, the thing about this, and I guess with me going to that base meet today, this is actually going to be the perfect timing for me to actually shoot this video and do the update on this. So, I don't know, was that a week ago, 2 weeks ago, a couple uploads ago? I did a video on this here battery, this K2 Energy. This is the JY Power Green Bean. So, I don't know if I call it a battery or if I call it a cell. Personally, I'm going to call it a battery because that's what the hell it is. Now, granted, when you look at this cell right here, this lonely cell, this is 3.2 volts. It's rated at 90 amp hours, y'all, but it's 3.2 volts. Now, in order for you to make this a 12 volt battery, you got to do 3 times 4. 3, 6, 9, 12. So when I did the upload to this video here, I did say, hey, I think within the first 10, 12 seconds of that video, I said, hey man, I got some more stuff coming. I got a lot of stuff laying around, but that's coming down the line. I probably should have clarified that when I uploaded that video because y'all jumped in my rear. Not anything wrong with that. Don't have anything against it. If I hop on here saying something wrong or saying something that doesn't make sense, I definitely expect to be called out on it. This is YouTube. I'd rather be educated than not. I'm going to say this. When it comes to car audio, it is my life. It's a passion. This is something that I study day in and day out. I've said it numerous times on this channel, probably 100,000 times on this channel. I actually enjoy doing the research more than I enjoy the installs, more than I enjoy doing the demos. Like today, everybody was out there. We were at Carter Lake. People were giving demos. It was amazing. That's fun. Don't get me wrong. It is fun. It's great to see, hey man, if I can hit this button and my bass is so major that I can make some people tap out in 10 seconds. Got videos of that coming. But me, I personally get the enjoyment out of doing this right here. I like to sit down, get this phone to the point to where I drain the battery dead, because I won't budge and go get a charger because I'm so engulfed in maybe looking at videos on YouTube of this product or that product, or looking at websites of this product or that product, man. So that's my passion, man. So when I did the video upload to this here, like I said, a couple uploads ago, I don't remember if it was last week or 2 weeks ago, however long it was. Like I said, within the first, I think 10, 12 seconds of that video, I said, I got some more stuff coming. So personally, I call this a battery. Yes, it's one single cell. We get that. But I call it a battery because honestly, that's what it is. I can power something with this. Granted, it would have to be on a 3.2 volt setup, but I can still do that. So to expand on that, like I said, this single cell has to have 4, 3, 6, 9, 12 volts. So when we get 4 cells of this going, we have a 12 volt system. Now, when I said I had more stuff coming, I did mean that. But like I said, with that base meet happening today, and then me just uploading that video previous to this one, kind of perfect timing. So I did order this personal cell from Battery Hookup. When I got this, they only had this one left, but me and a individual had an understanding that when I got this one, I would take theirs 1, 2, 3 to pair with this as well. We talked about it. When we were talking about it, he was kind of on the fence about being in car audio, being out of car audio. So it was kind of like, well, if you're gonna get out, go ahead. I don't control you. Do your thing. But even if you're looking to stay in car audio, maybe you could sell me the 3 cells and sell like this. I don't even want to say what kind of bank this guy got, major. So it was like, well, maybe sell me 3 of them. Well, definitely sell me 3, and whatever you do with the other ones, that's your decision. So yes, when I upload this and everybody's like, oh man, that's just one single cell, or that's just one piece. Yeah, obviously it is one piece, it's one cell. But when all this occurred, man, like I said, I had more stuff coming. So I just wanted to go ahead and upload this because I was excited that my build was moving forward. And back in the day, JY Power, I looked at those prices, was like, no way in hell am I buying that. That costs way too much. I was still, they still got it now running around. Hashtag Lithium can't demo. I was Mr. AGM. Now I'd rather have Lithium. And like I said, within making that progress within my build, me and that individual had an understanding that I was getting at least 3 of his cells to go along with this one here. And I've been saying this lately as well. Long story long, I'm not going to bad name anybody. I'm not going to bad mouth. They, I'm in Omaha, Nebraska. They're local. They might see the video, which is fine. But like I said, I'm not going to bad mouth anybody. The individual that I had that agreement with has flaked. Is the best way I could put it. To being brutally honest and being nice about it, they flaked on me, man. So now I've got this single lonely cell. I was supposed to have 3 more. Now she's just sitting here. Go back to battery hookup. They're sold out of these. Now they do have one of these cells without the green casing on it, but that would kind of still put me in a predicament, kind of where I'm at now. I would just be one step closer to getting to 4, and how I get to 4, God only knows. And like I said, plus it doesn't have the case, so I've already remedied the situation. I got something else coming. I got something else sitting outside. So the main thing I can say is stick around, man. There's going to be tons of uploads coming, tons of updates coming, because I am in the gloves. I'm working on the car, man. I don't know where my little neon green ones are at, so I had to pull these out. Got a hole right there. These are kind of my old trusty dusties, man. So most I can say is we're getting things done, man. So yes, the topic of this video technically is, well, yeah, you can still see it. These cable cutters, those heat shrink. But I've been saying I was going to make a follow-up to this. So just to make the video long, which I'm coming up on 13 minutes here, figured I might as well go ahead and do the update, man. So I'll probably go ahead and put in the title, just to let people know that, hey, this is an update. And yes, I know y'all could probably hear all that pinging in the background. That is people from the base meet today. So y'all know me, man. I'm the super cool guy. 9 times out of 10 when I go out to these events, man, it's nothing but love. I'm going to say 99% of the time. I really don't have problems with anybody or anything like that. You're going to see another video of me uploading. Guy was out there, was like, hey man, I heard about the meet. I just wanted to come. Hey, I'm just normal guy. I got a little Alpine Type R in the trunk with a Walmart amp, man. I probably got maybe $400 into my setup. Not even that much. I was like, hey man, give me a demo, let me get the video going. So bass is bass. I show love to you whether you got some Scosche 6x9s in there and you're satisfied with it, up to the point to where the video I just uploaded, to where you got somebody that's running 17 freaking thousand watts and complaining because he's down 2 amps, man. So imagine that, 40,000 watts right to the face, man. Some of y'all do that. Hey, that's great, man. I'm not doing it. Crazy for me was last year with the Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s on the Wolfram 7500 at 0.5. My truck was nice. Not doing anything like that this year. Like I said, I'm doing a budget setup. Y'all can see my amp right over there. That's Sundown SFB. 2 of the DDX10s right there. 2 of the DDX10s are over there. One sitting on top of the other one, man. So yes, just doing an update for the channel. Cable cutters right there. Heat shrink right there. Went ahead and threw the update of the follow-up on this battery right here, because like I said, today finally got the final word on that today, that I wasn't going to be getting the other 3 cells. Like I said, no hard feelings, man. It's just kind of, I ain't gonna lie, you know, I'm pissed off about it, frustrated the whole nine, man. But like I said, already remedied the situation, man. So I got something coming. The company that got that's sending me something, well, sending me because I bought it, that's going to send me something takes a while to ship. So stick around for that, man. Hopefully I can get that video out to y'all soon, man. More videos to come, man. So y'all know the deal, man. Stay tuned, subscribe, like this video. Dislike the hell, I don't care. It is what it is, man. So y'all know the deal. Any questions, comments, concerns? I try to get back to everybody, man. I did do a nice little bit of replying tonight. So hopefully I got any questions that you guys had out of the way, man. So y'all know the deal. It's 2021. This is my budget build, but y'all know what I say. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you got taken. And another outro. Like I said, everybody, hey man, where's the Malibu? Where's the Dub Mally? I was Dub Mally, and I'm thinking, should I go back to Dub Mally? But I'm Mally 5,000. I'm out of here, man. Y'all have a good one.